Thank you.
Guys, paalala lang you can ask in Tagalog, pero tayo team translate. Okay? Chill lang tayo.
Bored na daw sila, wala na daw silang matranslate. Bigyan daw.
Ganun ba?
Denise.
Kimberly. Pakibigay na lang.
If it were up to you, how would you end TRMD and why? That's for both of you.
Personally, gusto ko kasi yung ending niya eh. Parang it gives so much room for the possibilities and for our imaginations to run wild. Kasi pag tinuldukan na... Max. Ano ba? Yes! Pag binigyan kasi siya ng ending na sobrang pag close na, paano ba, parang if it's too particular, parang there's no room for us to imagine what they did after that. I like that you already know na they ended up together. And then the rest is up to you. Parang ganun.
Actually, meron na tayong concept before na open-ended kasi yung yung ending niya di ba? So, parang naisip namin, ano kaya, kung parang mag-travel lang sila, gano'n, parang driving off somewhere, tapos, kumbaga feel good lang talaga. Walang kahit na anong mabigat na eksena. Parang, punta sila sa grocery store, kukuha sila pepperon, tingtams, ganyan, kopya, mga ganon. So, very, light lang yung gusto namin mangyari. Okay siya kung paano siya nag-end. Pero, siguro, yun nga, parang, it will give way to more possibilities. And yung naisip namin, pwede siyang karugtong ng ending na yun.
Next is Apple Nabara.
Okay na. Dalawa. Sa itong dalawa, what song or songs best describe your current state in life? Hindi in general in life, pwede current.
Nandun kasi yung sagot. Lord, hindi ko yung sagot dapat.
Well, siguro ito yung huling song na napakinggan ko lately na talagang tumagos sa puso ko. Na talagang narinig ko siya, pero talaga. Pero in a good way. Wala eh. Inside siya. Anyway, Hillsong talaga. Yung Oceans. Kasi syempre, parang, in life, we need guidance. Diba? And kailangan natin ng isang malakas na pagkakapitan, which is, yun, si Lord, hired me. Parang kailangan ko talaga ng guidance na everyday patience, ganyan. And lalo na sa trabaho na meron kami, kumbaga, doble-doble yung responsibility. Diba? Kanya-kanyang cargo lang naman yan. Pero yun, yung first song ko ay Oceans.
Cara Dulces. Cara?
Panggasyon ng for both of you. really go for love. Pero yung type na mag-take ng risk and all.
Ito alam ko ng, alam to ng mami ko na risky ako magmahal. Risky! But I think as you get older, you stop looking for parang the chaos that you do when you're young. When you're younger kasi parang, oh, adventure, me and you against the world, bahala na! But now that I'm older, parang I already believe in my family's opinion of a person. When they say, parang hindi siya okay para sa'yo or something. I believe them kasi I know that it's my family that really has my best interest naman in mind. So ngayon, mas matino na ako ng slide. Occasionally.
Well, ako naman yung type ng tao na palaging nakadepende yung opinion ng relasyon ko sa kanila. Siguro, ayoko rin, ina-avoid ko lang din yung bigger conflict. So, palagi akong safe pagdating sa taong kakasamahin ko. Kaya siguro single ako for 5 years. Wow! Kasi kapag nafe-feel ko rin na yung isang tao ay parang hindi siya magtatagal, hindi ko siya ipipilit. Parang walang connection. Hanggang doon na lang yun, parang hindi na ako hahabol, ganun. Tatry ko, konti-konti, ganyan. Pero kapag sinasabi ng conviction ko na parang wala na talaga. Wala na kasi parang ayokong sayangin yung time namin together. So yun, I'm still waiting for that right person to come in and hopefully yung magkaroon hopefully yung pagiging at peace ako with myself. With myself at saka sa pamilya.
Kaya ba? Oxygen.
Okay, next one. Yang. Yang, yes.
Very far.
Hi. Hello. My question is for both of you, and if you would be given a chance to give life to a character stage play, who would it be, and how will you improvise with each series?
Stage play. For the last question.
Siguro dahil nung napanood ko yung Wicked, malaki din yung naging impact na sa akin. So, siguro yun kay Alpha. So, kung i-improvise ko yung bawat scene, siguro I'll be more me. Wow. so Wicked siya, kasi siya parang outcast, ganyan. Tapos meron siyang sister na parang siyang Cinderella type of character, yung evil stepsister. Ayan, I don't know, siguro dahil gusto ko rin yung character niya, in a way, very human siya, although yung manifestation niya, parang not human-like. And gusto ko yung mga songs. I don't think na i-improvise ko pa siya kasi okay na siya sa Jessica. So, yun. I would love to play the character of Alucard from Lupin.
And for the last question.
Okay lang. Tawag dito. Ako wala akong maisip na character na na specific talaga. Pero, I would wanna play a character that is struggling with a side of themselves that they can't control. So maybe some kind of addiction or basta the need to like alam niyo yung Dexter? Alam niyo ba yung Dexter? He's this guy that he can't help it, he just has to kill people. Like, he really needs it. So, something like that. Some kind of uncontrollable thing. I would want to play that.
So guys, before the last question, kaya muna natin silang mag-order. Ayun pa sila eh.
Oo nga naman.
So, okay na ba yung mga chance nyo? O, nakalimutan nyo na. Wala na. Wala kayong participation. Commercial break. CR na yung mga dapat yung CR. Okay guys, for the last question, attendance natin is Jackie, what's this, Perk? Ikaw pala yun. Pilingan mo. Oh, ayaw sila. Ayan, for her last question, sa mga daddies, we have Jackie.
For the last question, for Riang and
Hello?
Okay, for the last question for the two of you, if ever there is a, I don't, Ron is here. Hi! Hi! Hello! Ako po! Ako po, ay ko lang.